Today, we're making a classic New Orleans cocktail, the voh-care-eh. We're going to start with rye whiskey. I used Redemption rye for this, about an ounce. Then comes an ounce of cognac and red vermouth, about 3/4 of an ounce. This is the special ingredient, Benedictine. It's a French herbal liqueur with 27 unique flowers, berries, herbs, roots, and spices. You only need about 1/4 of an ounce for the cocktail. And then add Angostura Bitters, about 3 drops, and Peychaud's Bitters. Add ice and give it a really good stir with a bar spoon. This is something you want to stir for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's really cold. And then use a hawthorn strainer to strain it into a chilled glass. This is the traditional way to serve the cocktail. Give it a shake to get the last drops out, and then garnish. I like to use a lemon peel or a cherry, like an Amarano or Luxardo cherry. And if you like ice, I recommend a craft cube. And that's it. This beautiful voh-care cocktail is perfect for Mardi Gras celebrations. Enjoy.